Yo, what's going on, guys? Back again with another video. So I'm just now coming from a soccer game. I think this is the second time I've made a POV leaving a soccer game, but I just gave some of my teammates, because it's a new team I'm on, one of my boys is on it, and he invited me to play with them, but it's a bunch of ballers. So I'm just now leaving, and I gave some of the guys a pull in the car. I think it was around like 5 of them, so we were packed. It was like 3 in the back, 1 here, and me. So I made 5, but yeah, it was I thought it was a car for a second. I saw my own flashlight. But yeah, I gave them a pull. Bro, I wish I recorded their reactions. I should have gotten one of them to record, but it was crazy. They love the car, and one of them actually watched my videos because he saw my name in the group chat, and he's like, yo, this is a YouTube guy. So yeah. Whew. But yeah, he saw he got a pull in the car. So if you're watching this video, huge shout out to you, bro. He's on my team as well. Bro, that shift is nasty. But the car is pretty warm because I was giving them some pulls. It's not even like 5 minutes ago, probably like 5 to 10 minutes ago. So the car is pretty warm, so it sounds amazing. But you know, today is May 31st. I'm gonna try to upload this video June 1st at least, so tomorrow, because it's 10:34 right now. Whew. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get this video up tomorrow. My goal was to hit 5K by the end of May, but that goal, I made that goal like 2 days ago, and I was at like 2.7K. And the fact that right now we're at 4.92K, I think, so like 4,920 something subs. And bro, that's crazy, because I didn't expect to get to 5K by the end of May. Like, I wanted to do it, but that goal, I made that goal like 2 days ago, so I didn't really expect it to happen. But you know, anything is possible. But the fact that we're that close, bro, that's crazy. So I feel like I'm gonna hit 5K tomorrow. So thank you to all of you guys. But now, also one of you guys, I don't remember your name, but I'll put it up on screen. So if you're watching this video, bro, huge shout out to you as well. But yeah, I don't quite remember your name. I think it's like F30 and it's like R something. Damn, bro. Yeah, I don't quite remember. My bad, bro. But I'll put it up on screen. And bro, it legit said he's gonna send me a camera. I think it's like a DJI Action 4. That's like the equivalent of a GoPro Hero 12. Because I need a camera, because there's a bunch of places that I go to and I just can't record, because I need my phone for the maps because I don't know where I'm going. But I also can't record while using the map, so I needed a camera, and I was gonna buy a GoPro or something, but bro, they're mad expensive. Like for the good ones, bro, legit, he said he's gonna send me out one for free. So bro, huge shout out to you. But yeah, I'm not sure when it's gonna get here, but once it's here, I'll show you guys. I'll make a POV with the new camera. It should be way better. It should be way more at wide angle. The sound should be a little better, but it's gonna be way better because then I can make POV. Like bro, I've been on some canyon kind of roads, and I wanted to make a POV so bad, but I just couldn't record because I didn't know where I'm turning, I didn't know where I'm going, I didn't want to get lost, so I just couldn't record. But now, if I have like an actual camera for POVs, I'll be able to record way more. Don't mind my shirt, bro. Like this, legit, this is my girlfriend's Lululemon shirt because I wear like my own top. I wear like a black shirt, and I put this on because it's mad cold, bro. It was like 8 degrees Celsius. So yeah, I had this underneath. It's a bit tight, a bit short, but you know, it's whatever. I didn't have any for myself, so this is legit my girlfriend's thing that I have on. But yeah, just leaving the soccer game. I want to give you guys a quick POV. I need to get gas again, bro. I always need to get gas. Bro. This is the best thing, coming from like work, coming from like a soccer game, like anywhere I go that I'm like kind of tired after, and I just hop in this car, bro, it just makes it worth it. It just makes everything worth it, bro. But yeah, you guys love the POV though. If you guys didn't see my last video, I made another POV, took my car to school. There was, I think I saw some like 4 series, I think it's like a 435i with like an M4 kit. So if you guys didn't see that video, feel free to check it out, bro. It's a fire video though. Feel free to check that out and give you guys a little pull on the bridge. That intake never gets old. If you guys are wondering what intake I have the CTS Turbo cold air intake. So that's why the car sounds like, bro, it sounds crazy. I don't know, you guys can hear it for yourselves. Bro. Nah, bro, the shifts are crazy. So I have MHD Stage 3, just in case some of you guys don't know. Let me roll the windows up because it's mad windy out there. But yeah, I have MHD Stage 3. So that's why my shifts are so aggressive. I'll probably make a video showing you guys what settings I got, because I think some of you guys actually left a comment on the last video asking me what are my XHP settings. So I think I got to make a video on that, because I make one for my MHD settings, because I had the Pops on max, then I tuned it down. I messed around with the tune a bunch, and I think I found the perfect settings that I like. So I made a video on that already, but I got to make one on XHP because I don't think I made a settings video on that, and a bunch of people have been asking me. Roll it back down there, give you guys some pops on the downshift. Gunshots, bro. Yeah, it's mad late though. My game was at like 9, because it's all the games, the earliest game is like 6. Yo, I'm spinning, G. I don't think my tires can handle stage 2 plus. It's mad windy though. Downshift. Yeah, but I'll pick up back the camera once I'm off this road, because it's just wind. You guys won't be able to hear the cars. But yo, let me know how you guys like the nighttime POVs, because most of my POVs are like daytime or at sunset. Let me know if you guys like the nighttime ones, because I could make a bunch of nighttime POVs, but usually when I'm driving and it's this dark, I'm like, nah, it's probably too dark to record. But you guys seem to like it still, so if you guys like it, I could make a bunch more nighttime POVs. But yeah, that's why sometimes I miss a day or two on uploading, because a lot of the times I'm driving, it's late night, and I'm not sure if you guys want to see a nighttime POV or like nighttime videos. But if you guys want to see it, I'm down. I just want to know if you guys like it, because if you guys want to see it, then you know, I'll just make the videos. But yeah, like, also another thing, a bunch of you guys might have seen me posting like, or asking you guys like, but yeah, I've been asking a bunch of you guys, what cars do you guys want to see next? And I think I've narrowed it down to a F30 M4 or a M340i with the B58. And obviously the F30 M4 has the S55 engine. So let me know, like, that's between the two cars I think I want to get next. I'm not getting a car like anytime soon though, but I just want to know what you guys want to see next on the channel, because I could get something like a 440i as well, like the F32 or F36 440i's, but it's the same interior as this. It looks the exact same, so that's why I'm thinking like M340i might be a better option, because you know, you have the newer interior, ambient lighting, everything like that, and they're still faster than like the 440i's. So like, I love the 440i's, I love the 4 Series, but I don't think it's worth it because it looks the same as this. The interior is the same. That guy was like, yes. Bro. But yeah, I don't think I'll get like a 440i, because I just want the newer interior. That's also why I'm not sure if I should get the M4, because I love them. Like, the M4 I think is the best looking BMW of all time, the F30 M4 in my opinion at least. But the interior, it's not the exact same as this. Obviously, like, the dash is different, the steering wheel is a little bit different, but it's pretty similar. It's pretty identical to this interior, and you don't have ambient lighting or nothing. And it's also the S55. It is faster than the B58, but the B58 is newer, it's more reliable. Everyone like talks about the B58 now, so yeah, bro, I honestly don't know which one I should get, so let me know what you guys think. I feel like it's definitely gonna be between M340i though and an F30 M4. It has to be one of those two, I'm pretty sure, unless I like somehow get to like another car, but I don't think my mind is gonna switch up from that. So let me know what you guys would prefer though between those two, F30 M4 or M340i. But yeah, I think that's enough for now, because it's mad late. It's almost 11 o'clock and I'm making a bunch of noise with my car. So sorry to whoever is sleeping, but I gotta make my video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again. Almost at 5k subs. I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit it tomorrow, June 1st. So that's a great way to start June. Not a bad start. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Give you guys a downshift here. bro. My suspension is a bit squeaky. I think I need to check that out because sometimes it happens and then it goes away. I don't know. I need to check it out. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video and I'll catch y'all again. Jeez, I'll catch y'all again in the next one, bro.